Welcome to Okinawa! Look how beautiful the ocean is. So happy it's not raining today. Where are we right now?
海中道路。
海中道路。
海中道路 is the road in the sea, in the ocean.
Okay, where are we going to now? What is that island?
池島、宮城島 kind of like that.
Kind of like that.
Yes,
Okay.
there are some islands.
Okay.
I only know the two islands name.
Two
Miyagijima
islands.
and Ikejima.
Okay. And I do want to show you that Lawrence is still here and he bought a new shirt. Look at that. This is
I'm
the
into Okinawa.
This is
Okinawa uniform.
official uniform.
Yeah, worn by me.
Yes, of course. Everybody's wearing white, but you got the purple.
Yes.
So you could stand
This
out.
is the famous
Beer.
brand.
Oh my god, this is your Okinawan shorts.
Yes, also.
I want to go to the sea. This is an Okinawan brand.
Yes.
Yes.
Look at this.
I know. Can we see your bag? Okay. Okay. You bought it in
From
Tokyo.
Osaka.
Can we see your jewelry today? Look
This
at
is
that.
from Okinawa.
Oh, you bought it in Okinawa?
Okinawa.
Really?
These are from Okinawa.
Okay.
Do you like
of
my-
course. Yeah, I love that.
Colorful, right?
Yes, yes. And of course, this is Michael. Are you hot?
Yes.
Yes. Very hot. I love your shirt, by the way. Yeah, this you bought in Hawaii, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. All right. And what is your impression of Okinawa? First time to Okinawa.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
And with a Japan touch to it.
With the Japan touch. Yes, he is a man of few words but expressive. Right. So, yeah, so we're on the way to the island. We're actually going to go to a salt factory because Okinawa is famous for their salt. Really, they are. Anyway, let's go. We have arrived at the salt factory. This is Nuchimasu salt factory. And this place actually makes this special salt. This is it right here. No admission, you can just go right in. You need a car to get here. Like we're all the way here in the mountain top, about an hour away from Naha. There's a lookout point there that we will be visiting later on. Really beautiful. This is a self-guided tour of the salt factory. Actually comes from the ocean right down there, and all the salt gets gathered into this tank here, and then it goes into this factory. This is where we are now. So there's a pipe going all the way to the ocean, into the factory down there. I think there's some people inspecting. Yes, you can see the people down there inspecting the salt. So this is the last final inspection to make sure that it's the highest quality. This is a building where the salt is evaporated. You can see through these windows right here. Kind of hard to see, but can you guys see the salt? Here, the salt right here, clinging to the window. It's amazing. We got the sea salt ice cream, a soft serve. Love.
Lightly solid taste.
Yeah. いただきます. It's salty and milky. Delicious, especially on a hot day. It's really hot today, by the way. Just eating their soft serve. Lawrence has the blue one.
Isn't it interesting?
Yes.
Blue color.
Blue color. This is spirulina and sea salt. And of course, we have Michael there eating ice cream with a Diet Coke just for extra pleasure. This cafe has some pretty good food with amazing ocean views. This is the Nuchimasu Cafe. This is the kind of food they have. Local pork, of course they have Okinawa soba, they have kids curry, There's the adults curry and they have taco rice. Lunchtime, guys. We are here at Uema Tempura, very famous Okinawan-style tempura shop. We're back here again.
Yes,
Are
I
you
love
ready?
This place.
Yeah,
Yes.
let's go eat some good
I want to eat
tempura.
tempura.
Are you ready to eat some Okinawan tempura, Lawrence?
Yes. I know they're different, so I like to try it.
Okay, let's do it. We have a variety of bento, omusubi, inari sushi. Tempura is over there. Look at this spread. Look at all the variety of tempura here. So good. Alright guys, we have tempura here. Check it out. That's Lawrence's stash. This is mine. I also got myself satan dagi and one makizushi. Michael got some food over there. He got the chicken makizushi. What else did you get? Let's see what else you got. Oh, you got like a ham cheese toast, deep fried crab cheese, a squid, and mozuku. And what's that? Nothing. Okay. All right. Wow. Deluxe. And then Satoshi got onigiri and some other stuff. And what did you get?
Mine is the very typical Okinawa things.
Yeah, shrimp, mozuku, and fish. Fish. Okay.
So we're here. I was told this is a famous tempura shop. I think this is the name of the shop. This is the name of the shop, right? So we're here, and then it's self-service. You just pick whatever you wanted to eat. So what I have is, first of all, I need to try the fish because you don't get tempura fish in Tokyo. So you see, the tempura is a little bit different than the original tempura.
Maybe one, if you want, yeah. But yeah, this is a microwave. You have to
The fish is very fishy, meaty. I like it. As I said, you don't get tempura fish in the mainland, as far as I know. So this is a good try. And also, I think the tempura shrimp is different too. Look, it's kind of like this, right? Yeah, you see the batter is different. And they have tofu, right?
They also have sauce if you like.
Oh, I like tofu. It's a bit like
Michael's hand right in the camera.
it's a bit like the stinky tofu in Hong Kong, the way they cook it, but it's different. Oh, good. And of course, this is gigantic. I believe it's seaweed, right? Look at the size. I don't know how to describe it, but it's very flavoring actually. I like it. Good.
I love Uema Okinawa Tempura shop. Every time we come to Okinawa, we come here, this shop, we can choose a variety of tempuras. And I always choose the typical Okinawan tempura. like this. This is mozuku seaweed. Delicious, crunchy, warm. So the Okinawan tempura is different from mainland tempura. It's already seasoned, so you can eat as it is. You don't have to put any salt or tempura sauce. But of course, if you want to, you can. But you can eat as it is. Even it is cold, it's still tasty. Nice.
The seaweed quite nice.
The most popular one is this one. This is fish. The shop lady says this is the best seller.
Oh yes. Look at this, guys. Look at this place. We are having like drinks out on the terrace. It's actually quite hot, to be honest with you, but the beach is stunning. Check it out. This is our view from where we're sitting. Isn't it beautiful? There's not a single person here. Look at this. It's so peaceful. It's October right now. Actually, last week of October here, October 20 something today. And it's very hot here in Okinawa. That's where we're sitting right there. There are various terraces you can sit outside. You can sit here as well. And it is starting to rain. Look at the rain clouds. Please don't rain harder than this. Yeah. My friend Michael from Hawaii, he's here actually. He's in Japan for 2 weeks and he's been with us throughout the whole trip, but he's really shy. So, oh my goodness, it's starting to rain. He's very shy, so he is never on the video, but I think he's getting used to it a little bit. I've been taking pictures of him, photos of him, and showing him that he looks fine. And so I think he's slowly getting braver to be on photos at least. But anyway, the other day when we were in Tokyo, before we left to Osaka, he was asking me these questions about our school days, because I knew Michael since I was 6 years old and we went to school together and we spent our teenage years together, spent our 20s together. So he knows everything about me. Well, maybe not everything, but a lot about me. And there are many things that I forgot about my life just because it's been so long ago. And he brought back all these memories that I completely forgot about. And I thought it would be a fun thing to do is to make a video with him talking about the past and both of us just reminiscing about our school days and our 20s. I thought that would be a fun video. What do you guys think? Would that be boring? Anyway, I thought it would be kind of fun, and also it would be like something that I can look back on maybe 10 years down the line. Yeah, before I completely forget my past. Look at this plant. Kind of looks like a breadfruit, doesn't it? I wonder what kind of plant this is. What is that? All right, I'm gonna walk back to my terrace. Good thing about the rain is that it's actually making it cooler. So that's the good thing about the rain. See, there's scenic over there. There's another terrace over there. Yep, it's definitely gonna rain. It's gonna rain harder. Here they are, Lawrence and Satoshi. Oh, the beach is wonderful.
With the rain, it's cooler.
It's much cooler. Oh yeah, it's much cooler. Yeah, I feel like this is a good time to go on the beach before it rains because the clouds are getting darker. Yeah, it is. This is our view. Oh, a little bit saturated. There we go. That's what it looks like. We are heading towards a cafe slash restaurant. It's actually one of our favorite places in Okinawa. It's only our second time there because it's kind of away from the city, and unless you have a car, it's hard to get to. But anyway, we're on our way there, and that's for the next video. So stay tuned for that. You don't want to miss that video because it really is an amazing place. And once again, like I said, it's a place that Satoshi and I, we love, and we're so excited to go back to. So anyway, thanks so much for watching. Please leave a comment. I always love reading them. And yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye. Take care. Bye.